Delight today has brought to you reviews of very cute, attractive and eye-catchy products that can definitely attract every child's attention. Can any one of you resist yourself from buying such cute stationeries? Who would not want to buy it? Definitely, everyone would like to buy. Oh my god, this is so super cute, and just look at the quality of the fur. Look at the colors. The colors they have used is pastel colors, and there are some shimmery effects. The quality and overall it looks so damn super cute. This unicorn pattern printed fur design diary made up of extra soft plush fur material which is very soft and smooth in touch. This diary makes it look eye-catching very easily, and it is very simple, fashionable and portable as well. Talking about the quality of the diary, the fur used here is of very high quality, very strong. The fur used here is very strong. The whole diary is covered with the plush fur material, which not only looks sturdy but actually it is giving a very strong support to the diary, and it is making the diary sturdy and very safe. The size of the diary is A5 size, which is not bad. This makes it very easy to carry. Now moving to the quality of the pages. All the pages are ruled and there are total 80 pages. The quality of the pages are okay, normal type pages. It is very good. Not very thin and not very thick. So if I have to talk about the overall quality of the diary, definitely a very big thumbs up. This diary, this plush fur material diary will definitely bring lovely smile on the faces of all children. This diary can be perfect for writing, drawing, sketches, taking photos, travel journal and for gifting purpose. The time has come to review very beautiful, whimsical, designer, unicorn magical wand ballpoint pen which can definitely steal the hearts of children and adults. The pen has an illuminated head which is the main center of attraction. The pen has a click system mechanism which is very easy to operate and very smooth to perform. The body is round in structure. The material is plastic with high quality, unique colorful sequence design. The size of the tip is 0.5 mm which gives a very sharp and smooth writings. That means the pen is not only beautiful at looks but is also very good in writings. So a very big huge thumbs up for such an attractive, beautiful, designer, magical, whimsical ballpoint pen. The price of this pen is rupees 120. So we hope today's cute combo pack must have brought several smiles and eagerness to buy them. So if you people liked our video, please do like, share and comment us. Do not forget to subscribe us and follow us on www.delight.com.